So when we are going to solve this, the first thing that we need to do is that it is a fraction and it is not equal to 0. If it is not equal to 0, it means we are not allowed to solve one by one. And then we need to find the common denominators, of course. Common denominator here, you can see that for this expression, it is 1, it is root x, like this, another one root x, like this, another one root x, like this, and another one root x, which is equal to 5. So for this divided by 1, we get 1, and we multiply here, we get x plus 1, the same as here. When we take this over 1, we get root x, multiply root x, we get x plus 2. For here also, this divided by 1, we get root x times root x, which is x plus x negative 3. And for here also it is x negative 6. Then when we multiply this with this, with this, with this, we get x plus power 2, it is x squared, because this and this is x. This and this is x. And when we multiply, we get x squared, then we multiply here by 1, by cross product. So we get x plus 1 times x plus 2 times x negative 3 times x negative 6, which is equal to 5x squared, by doing a cross product of this x squared, like this. Now, we need to expand this. When we expand this, we get x times this, x squared, times this 2x, this, so it's 3x, then this 1. That is the quadratic expression for the first two factors. For the second two factors, it is this and this, x squared, this with this. It is 6x, which is negative, and this with this, negative 9x, then this with this, positive 18, which is equal to 5x squared. And now it is equal to 0. Normally we try by putting numbers. You can try by, you can say that if x is equal to 1, well, for the roots of this sub-6, find the root of this sub-6, then we put those numbers here. When you put those numbers here, we check the one which gives 0. Hope that you know that. We find the roots of this number, then we check the one which gives 0. When you put those numbers, you can get that this is 1, negative 6, 1, negative, this 1 cube is 1, negative 6, negative 12, positive 36, then positive 36, and this is different from 0. This is not 0. You see that this number even is higher than the rest one. Even if you can put negative 1, or negative 2, or positive 3, or all numbers which are the roots of this one. So this one is, when you put negative 1, you get 1 also. You get positive 6, because negative 1 cube is negative 1. Times this negative, you get positive 12. Negative then times negative 1, which is squared, is negative 12. Negative 36, positive 36. You can see that this one will simplify. But this one is greater than the rest. This is 7, this is negative 12. This is equal to negative 5, which is different from 0. So, when you check out in this, you see that all those integers that we are trying to use, are not working. You can see that those integers that you are trying to use are not working. So, what can you do now? What you can do is to go and factorize now. You have this expression which is x power 4, negative 6, x cubed, negative 12, x squared, positive 36x, positive 36. You're going to check whether there are two factors which are multiplied to get this one. There are two factors which are multiplied to get this one. So since it is x power 4 and it is with 6 terms, it is with 5 terms, it means that it is expanded in 3 by 3. So we can say that this is x power 2 plus ax plus b, then times x squared plus cx plus d, which is equal to 0. We're going to find this expression, the expression which can bring this kind of form. We're going to find the value of a, the value of b, the value of c, the value of d. We have seen that those roots are not working. Then, when we expand this, we are going to expand this and which we compare with what we have here. When we expand this, you see that we have x power 4. When you take this with this, then when you take this with this, you get x cubed positive c, x cubed, this with this, positive d, x squared, this with this, positive a, x cubed, this with this, positive ax, ac, x squared, and positive this with this, positive adx, then we're going to use this, bx squared, then bx, bcx, then plus. Okay, now when we combine like terms, this one and this one are with x plus 3, so we write a plus c, x plus 3. This one and this one and this one are with x squared, so we write ac plus b plus d x squared. Now this one and this one are with x, so we add ad plus bc with x, then we add bd, which is equal to 0. So now we're going to compare this one with this one. We write this one and this one are equal. There's no problem with that. Now this one is equal to this because they are both with like terms. So we write a plus c is equal to negative 6. Another one is this one with this one because they have x squared. So we write ac plus b plus d is equal to negative 12. Another one which are equal is this with this. We write ad plus bc is equal to 36. And another one which are equal are this bd, which is equal to 36 as the last term. Now we have this one which is multiplied to this and it is equal to this. So the product of these numbers are normally those more than one numbers. So we can assume that b and d are equal numbers because they are factors which are multiplied. So if b is equal to negative 6 and d is equal to negative 6, if they are equal. Now we need to have, after getting this, we need to use these numbers so that these one are verified. So we need to have the value of a and c so that ac and bd are verified to all of these numbers here. If, for example, numbers which are added to get this, if, for example, a is equal to negative 1 and c is equal to negative 5. This is an example. And this one verifying those two expressions. Let's verify this. It is negative 1 times negative 5 because it is a times c, then negative 6 because it is add b, then negative 6 again, which is equal to negative 12. So is this true? We can get 5, negative, then negative 12, which is equal to negative 12, which is not correct. So we need to check other numbers which are added to get this a and c. We can take like even negative 3, c equal to negative 3. What will we have? Even if we check this or this down, let's check this the second. We have negative 3 times d, which is negative 6, and then we add negative 6 times negative 3. So is this equal to 36? We can get this is negative positive 18, this is positive 18, which is equal to 36. Yes, this one is verified, but does this verify this? The first one. Does this verify the first one? Because they must verify to the whole expression and its maintenance equation. Hope you understand. So when you verify this, you get that it is negative 3 times negative 3, negative 6, negative 6, which is equal to negative 12. Is this equal to this? This is a 9, negative 12, which is equal to negative 3, which is not correct. So now those numbers are not working. But what if now A is 0 and C is negative 6? What will happen? Is this verifying the whole equation? We have 0 times negative 6, then negative 6, negative 6, which is equal to negative 12. This is correct, because this is 0 and this is negative 12. For this one also, it is 0 times negative 6, then plus negative 6 times negative 6, which is equal to 36. And this is also correct. Now, we see that those numbers are working. Now, after getting those numbers, now we are going to put them here. We have x squared plus 0x negative 6, then times x squared negative 6x negative 6, which is equal to 0. We are going now to solve. Automatically, we have this x squared negative 6 equal to 0. X is equal to positive or negative root of 6. Hope you understand this. Now, this x squared negative 6x negative 6 equal to 0. Then, by using quadratic formula, we say that x is equal to negative 3. Positive or negative root of b squared negative 4ac over 2a. This is the quadratic formula. Then we get 6 negative with negative is positive. Positive or negative root of 36 because it is 6 squared. Then positive because c is negative. This is negative. 4 times 1 times 6. Then divided with 2 times 1, which is 2. So x is 6 positive or negative root of 60. Root of 60. This is 24. This is this one. Then we divide by 2. So 60 is normally 4 times 15. And when 4 it comes from out of the square root, it will be 2. It will be 2. And then 2 simplified like this. Then and here we get x is equal to positive or negative. 3 positive or negative root of 15. Those are the solution to that equation. Thank you very much. If you have any question, if you have any problem, if you observe any mistake, you can drop it in the comment so that you can check it out. Thank you very much.